Now, there's a reason why people love Couch Critics, Maddie, Sarah Marie and Jad.
I've been so pumped for this.
I thought we watched this already.
No, that was House of Dragons. That's Game of Thrones.
God.
As the episode begins, an elven army has travelled from the lands of Valinor to Middle-earth
You following?
Yeah, I'm following asleep.
to defeat the Dark Lord Morgoth and his orcs.
No, we've lost him.
But his general survives.
All right, I want this.
No, I've got
harvest
these
piece.
for me.
What if I told you that by trusting fate and allowing yourself to be guided by astrology, you could find your perfect match?
You know, when Jad reads his astrology, when the sun is past Venus, you're still going to be single.
Australia's
Who needs mates?
favourite third wheel, Jad. He's here now. And when he's entertaining us on Gogglebox, he is a restaurateur and he's opened a brand new restaurant in Parramatta in Sydney. It's called Miss.
Yes,
Miss.
short for miscellaneous.
Miscellaneous.
There we go.
Yes.
Just thought it might have been a bit of a soft C, but there we go.
Yeah.
Jad is in the kitchen in Studio 10 today, along with Sebastian. Great to see you both.
Thank you for having
Great to
us.
have you.
Hello.
Very
This is awesome.
excited. This is amazing.
Now, what are we making today?
Wow. We're
Let's get
making-
started on the cooking, then we can chat about
What are we making?
Executive
So
chef.
we're doing basically lemon pasta, mafaldine pasta. So just to go quickly, mafaldine pasta, wavy, kind of...
Can I pick this up and
Yes,
show
of
you?
course.
Yeah.
Of course.
Oh, I've never seen pasta
Yeah.
like this before. That's a bit
So
clever.
basically, mafaldine is named after Mafalda princess that had wavy hair.
Oh.
So that's why this is the kind of shape we're having on the pasta.
That's the royal pasta.
So basically, very simple dish, mafaldine pasta, lemon butter, a bit of garlic, parsley, breadcrumb on top. Very simple, very fresh, buttery, a bit of acidity with the lemon.
All right, well, let's
Really
start
good.
throwing some things
Yeah, how'd
in
you make the
bowl.
lemon butter?
So I'm just starting with the pasta first. So we have a bit of salt. So you get your boiling water, some salt, and then I'll start with the pasta straight away. It takes like roughly 2 minutes to cook. That's 150 grams of pasta per.
How's Jad as a
person?
boss?
I feel like we're the
Great.
third wheels over here.
No, really. So I have 2 minutes on the pasta.
Oh, yeah.
And this is a great dish.
I'll start-
because it's very easy to make. So it's also good for date nights as well.
Are you
there
having
we
a few
go,
of those
yeah.
lately, mate? What's been going on?
I'm living the single life. Why are you asking? Because you're interested, or?
There we go.
More front than David Jones, this guy.
sit on your own
Call
couch.
me in a year and we'll see
Okay,
how we're
done.
going. But for opening up a restaurant, that is full on.
It's full on. It's good, but I'm really, really happy and I'm really blessed to have such a good team, positive people surrounding me as well. But, you know, I love it. There's nothing more I love than opening up a restaurant, serving people, seeing happy faces, people eating, people drinking. It's what about. It's about getting everyone together.
Do you cook or do you just get the experts in like Sebastian?
To be
here?
honest, I'm a very good taster.
Yeah, same.
You know, I can tell him what's missing from a dish, but for me to get into
Yeah.
it, I can, but I'd rather leave it to the experts. And he's got it down pat.
Best critic.
Where are
Yeah,
you
you
up
sorted out
to,
the critic stuff.
Sebastian?
So basically, I started with white pepper. So grind some fresh white pepper.
Yep.
Toast it in the pan, like low heat. And then I start with my lemon zest.
Love a good fresh lemon zest. Just adds a lot of flavour and brings out, you know, that acidity in the dish, and you can taste everything in it.
Lemon zest, so roughly like a full lemon.
Yep.
Gives a nice touch.
Oh, it smells gorgeous.
Some few ingredients in here,
Oh,
right?
there's a
But
little
they're
bit going
really, but they're quality.
Yeah.
And
And-
it's the way they're married together.
And it's simple.
Yeah.
Is that what happens in Misk? I mean, tell us a little bit about it.
I will, smell that.
Oh wow, where are these from?
They're actually organic lemons.
Organic
so
lemons.
Oh wow.
They're good. Get them back
So
in.
you basically squeeze
So
one
listen,
lemon.
when you're seeing cooking shows on
Yeah.
Gogglebox, and you're
Tell me.
going, oh, what's going on here?
Yeah.
You know, like they do that over the course of like an entire day, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to lose some time here. We're
Yeah.
going to run out of time. But how are you feeling about the rest of your other mates watching you on telly, the Gogglebox watchers watching you on the television now?
About Maddie and Sarah watching
Yep,
me.
yep.
I think they're probably thinking.
like,
I think
a
they're
bit
probably like tripping out at the moment, thinking, "What's he
That's
doing?
it.
He's meant to be hanging out with us." But I'm actually
Instead,
having a
she's-
break from them. I love Malik, but between Malik, Bane, Maddie, and Sarah, I need my own time, and this is my own time. I'm enjoying myself. And to answer your question, Misk is going great, man. We couldn't be more happier.
Oh, that's
Superb.
great.
It's gone
We need to
awesome.
get out there.
We're running a
Yeah.
little bit behind
Yeah.
on this recipe
That's
right
okay.
now.
So I just-
So we're
But
gonna pump it
we
through.
might taste after the break, but got to say, if you live in Sydney, go visit Jad's new restaurant, Misk. What would you describe? How would you describe the food?
Fresh, approachable, sophisticated, but we don't take ourselves too seriously. And just, honestly, stuff that you'd love to eat with your family and friends to share.
I love that, and
Paramedic,
don't
It's getting
forget.
better every day.
Yeah, you
Booming.
can
It's
catch
booming, baby.
Jad on Gogglebox Australia, Wednesday nights on Foxtel and Thursday nights
Give it a-
at
Yes.
7:30 on 10 and 10 Play on demand. And I think we're almost there.
We're
you go.
almost there.
Yeah.
Oh,
Well,
yeah.
he's there.
That
He's
was
got it.
quick. That was quick to whip up.
Yeah, it's got it. It's got it. Just
And then, yeah, just
finish it
finish
off
with
with a
the
bit of parmesan.
Parmesan.
Would this be your favourite dish in Misk?
One of my favourite dishes. Very easy, very simple. You know, beautiful with a glass of Soave or a bergamot spritz. Perfect. Reminds you, you know, transcends you back to the Amalfi or Parramatta Park.
That's it, yeah, for sure.
Exactly.
We're going to play it up and taste after the break, but you are watching Studio 10. There's more to come. See you soon. Jad from Gogglebox is really talking up that pasta, and I just... where have they gone?
Where's I know, right? What a dreamboat as well, huh? Oh, there he is. Hey,
Okay,
Jazz.
guys, enjoy. Give it a 12.
Where do we get this again?
Parramatta?
Misk Parramatta. See you then.
Misk
Thanks,
Parramatta.
legend.
See you guys, enjoy.
Bye.
Always have a fork in your inside pocket, folks, just in case.
Oh, it's time for the beers with
Cheers.
Ange. Ah.